In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clear, professional comments to any PDF so you can share feedback, reminders, or ideas with confidence. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If the application is already running, you can open your file from the recent list or by choosing File. Then Open. Give the document a moment to load so all pages render correctly, especially if it's a large file. Next, access the commenting tools. At the top, click the Tools tab and select Comment. If you prefer, you can also choose Comment from the right-hand pane. Either way, this takes you to the workspace where all annotation features live, and you'll see a toolbar designed for reviewing and marking up your document. Now, add your sticky note in the toolbar. Look for the icon that resembles a speech bubble. This is the Add a Sticky Note button. Click it once to activate it. Your cursor will change, indicating you are ready to place the note. Click anywhere on the PDF where you want your comment to appear. A small sticky note indicator will land on the page and a pop-up note box will open. Type your comments, feedback, or notes directly into that box. Aim for clear, concise language so your message is easy to understand later. If you are responding to a specific section, consider placing the note close to the relevant text or diagram to make the context obvious. When you are happy with what you've written, click Post. Posting saves the comment to the document's comment list and anchors it to the spot you selected. You can continue adding more sticky notes by repeating the same process. Click the sticky note icon, click on the page, type your message, and click Post. Once you are done reviewing, save your work so your notes are preserved with the file. Go to File. Then Save. This writes your comments into the PDF, ensuring they'll be visible the next time you or your collaborators open it. If you want to keep a copy with notes while preserving an original, you can choose Save As and give the file a new name. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.